Welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So let's have a look at how to mix audio brands in Hi-Fi. I've written a long text document on how that I would suggest that people go about it. This is a long document on how you save money, what's most likely going to happen, what to do, what not to do, the order of how you upgrade your system, just generally what to expect by doing this and that thing in your hi-fi system. And if you're reading this, you don't have to be in the budget, middle or high level of hi-fi. I think that this counts for most people on the market following these rules. So I used a lot of time on writing this, and here's also a very good part on how to play the statistics game, so that you don't have to feel that you have to get that magical speaker, that certain type of amplifier, that certain combination in your room. And I feel that if you do this, then it doesn't matter so much if you're looking, for example, at these brands here and you're choosing, let's just say, the middle model. I would say that it doesn't matter so much like what you go with, because they'll all, I would say, at around the mid-level, they'll all give you a sound that I think that most people will like. So I think it's more about the base of the sound. Then you don't usually have to then borrow so much gear and try so much gear and go so many places. This is like, I feel it's like a safe way of predicting whatever brand that you take is going to be a pretty decent level sound. And yeah, if you want to get more help, just look at my videos, look at all the comments, read that through. That's basically $200 to $1,000 per video there, just waiting for you. So you don't have to write stuff to me, and just have a look at that. I don't think any other channel goes into such true depth of how to help people with their system. So have a look at that. Have a look at what I wrote to other people, and take that as inspiration if you want. So you just save a lot of money and time, and yeah, in the end here you can just unlock my videos by sorting the videos by the oldest date. It's just so you, as a standard, don't have only around 200 videos, but have more like 400 and some videos you can get access to. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I hope that helps you guys. Like and subscribe if you can.